Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up, one way to set up a daily page in your Hobonichi. We're going to be working in the Cousin Techo 2022. So this is the A5 size, and it is the full year. It's not the Avec. So this is like my business go-to planner that I have, and I had this blank page that I didn't use, and so I thought, okay, let's go back and let's use that and show people. So I'm using the zebra mile liners, and then I'm using I have this Mr. Pen ruler. I like it because it's a small size, and so that's what we're going to be using. And you could even use like a regular pen too. You don't have to use these, but I think they're fun and they add a little bit of life to my page. So what I'm going to do is literally go on the outside of the lines here and along them, and I'm going to go across here. And so sometimes I do find that the mile liners get on the page, so I use just a cloth to wipe it off so I don't smudge my lines, because that's, I don't know, might not bother some people, but to me I find it's a wee bit annoying. So go along the outside completely, and then I need to go up here. And so I totally went crooked on that one. That was my bad. I didn't quite line it up right, but we're gonna go with it because we can. Okay, so I have my outside boxes all done. Maybe I should have done a brighter color. Hopefully you can see this okay. And then I'm going to do a line, let's see, all the way down here, and I picked using their solid line that they have, and then I'm going to do a line across here, and then I'm going to do, okay, I actually screwed this up. Me personally, I think I would have done the line a little higher up and then split this box in half, but so we're going to do this box a little bit smaller than I probably would like. So know that, like, there's no science, right? Like, personally, I think I would have moved this line up and then split this box so it was a little bit bigger. But it depends on what you use them for and how you use them. So we're gonna go with it. So now I'll do a nice bright pen so you can read. So generally, what I would suggest is in this section, I can put my, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little boxes up here. I don't write that small, but you might. So you could do 3 to 5, we'll say, of your must-dos for the day. So that would be what that section is for. Okay. And then this section, of course, is your timeline, because hello, your timeline's right there. So this is, you can block schedule it, you can do exact times, whatever. However you keep track of your appointments and stuff for the day. And then this section, I generally use for task lists for the day. Or if I need to make notes for the day, I will put them here. So that's a great section for that. And it's pretty decent size. Again, I probably would have made it a little smaller, but I wasn't thinking. And then this section is great for a brain dump for your day. So especially if you have stuff that you want to think about for the rest of the week, putting that in this area, then you can always look back at it. This section I like to use for tracking. And it just depends on what planner I'm in as to what kind of tracking. So it might be, if it's personal, it might be steps or water or, eating 3 meals a day or whatever. For business, it might be your numbers, income, things like that. You could also, I thought about like this area, using it for some goals. I think that might get a little tedious every day, but on the other hand, it might be good if you have goals for the day, or if you have goals that you need to complete so that you can make your goals for the week happen. It's a great area to use that. And then the last section down here is, I think, a great area to practice gratitude, to write a great quote or saying that you love, or if you're trying to memorize scripture, it's a great area to put a scripture verse in every day. So that way you're looking at it every day and you can see, oh, that's a great quote, or that's a great scripture, or, oh, wow, yeah, I need to get that off my brain, and just write it in there. And then, the tracking goals is right in front of you, what you need to do for the day, and then kind of what your day is going, or what you need to accomplish, or, things you might need to carry over to the next day could also go on here. So that is an awesome way to set up your day for your Hobonichi cousin. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And also, I would love for you to check out my new Etsy shop. It has stickers in it for the Hobonichi planner, and my website has the newsletter on it. So if you go to simplifiedplan.com, you can find all that. Everything I am on social-wise is on Simplified Plan. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.